Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 15. The Lord takes neither the demerit nor even the merit of any. Knowledge is enveloped by ignorance, thereby beings are deluded.
Chapter 5, Shloka 15. Nadatte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukritam vibhuho ajnanena vritam jnanam tena muhyanti jantavaha.
Chapter 5, Shloka 15. There are two natures of the Lord, the absolute and the relative nature. As his absolute nature, he is uninvolved. The deluded mortal individuals are caught up in their relative nature and suffer. They have an intellect, but it is not sharp enough to understand their higher possibilities. A blunt knife cannot peel an apple unless it is sharpened. Instead of sharpening the knife, we go for factory peeled slices of apples attractively packed. This gives immediate satisfaction to the senses, but the knife remains blunt throughout the life. It hinders our growth in the long run. In such people with undeveloped intellects, the right understanding of God is lacking. They conceive God as some power watching from the clouds to punish the bad and reward the good. The eternal principle is not affected by the actions taking place in the envelopment on it, nor connects the rewards with the actions. From its standpoint, the finite exists not and is only a superimposition caused by a deluded intellect. When the sunlight passes through pure glass, it emerges as pure light. But when it passes through a prism, it appears as the 7 colors of the rainbow. Similarly, when the self passes through knowledge, it emerges as pure, perfect light. But when it passes through ignorance, meaning body, mind, and intellect, it appears as the world of plurality. Like light and darkness, knowledge and ignorance cannot remain in one and the same place. Where one is, the other must depart. Since all our sufferings are from the plurality due to ignorance, we must strive to gain knowledge by sharpening the intellect. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.